This is video 12A, Names, Spanish 1. Alright, the notes for saying names are as follows. Me llamo is my name is. Te llamas is your name is. Se llama, if we follow it with L, is his name is. If we follow it with ella, it's her name is. And if we follow it with usted, it's your name is, in the sense that we would be formal. Like if you're talking to someone you have to be respectful to a teacher, to a boss, to a parent, someone that you would say sir to. Nos llamamos is our names are. Se llaman, if it's followed by ustedes, is your names are, if you're talking to more than one person. Your names are, y'all's names are, however you want to say it, but you're addressing more than one person. And se llaman, if it's followed by ellos, is their names are. So these are the structures that you use to talk about names, to state names. My name is, your name is, his name is, her name is, your formal name is, just your name is, but you're being respectful, you're being formal. Our names are, y'all's names are, their names are. Now, how about the questions? The questions are easy. All you have to do is add the word como. That's it. And now you've got a question. So instead of me llamo, meaning my name is, como me llamo is what is my name. For the second one here, instead of just having te llamas, meaning your name is, como te llamas is what is your name. And the third one, instead of just having se llama él, his name is, now we have como se llama él, what is his name. Same for this. Instead of just se llama ella, her name is, como se llama ella, what is her name. Como se llama usted, what is your name. Again, this one is being formal. Como nos llamamos, what are our names. It's kind of an odd thing to ask someone, but that's how you would say it if you were choosing to say it. Como se llaman ustedes, what are y'all's names? And como se llaman ellos, what are their names? So these are your notes. So let's look at the assignment. So number one, what is his name? That's right here, literally. What is his name? Como se llama él? Let's see, make that a little smaller so I can get more over here. All right. So, como se llama él? Yeah, I need to make that larger. There we go. Now, number two, generally speaking, the rules that I use for these assignments, there are two rules that I use for all of these assignments that I do. So the first rule is answer Spanish questions, translate everything else, okay? Number one was not a Spanish question, so I translated it. That's why I got como se llama él. I translated the question. Number two, this is a Spanish question, so I'm going to answer it instead of translate. So my answer for como se llama ella, what is her name, I'm going to say se llama ella, and then let's pick a name. How about Sarah? Now, it sounds a little odd with ella being over here, because this is your verb, se llama. In a statement, your verb should go to the left. So, ella se llama Sarah. All I did was I moved ella from the right of se llama to the left of se llama. You would be understood leaving it where it was, but it is a little bit awkward. Okay. Number 3, what is your name? That's here. ¿Cómo te llamas? Number 4, my name is John. That's here. Me llamo John. Number 5, what is your name? And notice that we are being formal. So that is right here. ¿Cómo se llama usted? Okay. Number 6, their names are John and Shelley. So their names is right here. Well, right there. We don't want the como because we're not asking a question. We're responding. We're writing a statement. Okay, so their names are John and Shelley. Ellos se llaman, and remember this one went just like number 2. I moved the ellos. On the right, it has the note that says ellos is over here. This is a statement. I'm moving the subject back where it belongs. Ellos is over here. Okay? Your verb structure is right there, se llaman. So I move ellos to the left of the verb in a statement. I put it on the right of the verb in a question. Again, it's not that big a deal. If you had se llaman ellos, and then it says John and Shelley, John E. Shelley, that would be okay. You would be understood. It is just a little bit awkward. This being the subject, ellos, we're going to move that over here. Okay? This being your verb, I moved ellos to the left of it. It's a statement. All right. Number 7. This one's a Spanish question again, so we're going to respond. ¿Cómo se llama usted? So it's asking, what is your name? It's a formal your, but it's still, what is your name? So the response would be, my name is, and mine is James, so I'm going to use mine. My name is James. Me llamo James. That one is right, well, right there. My name is. What are their names? That is literally right there. ¿Cómo se llaman ellos? Her name is Shelley. It's right here. We got se llama ella. Now, well, her name is Shelley. So this ella, because that's the subject, I'm going to move it to the left of the verb. This is your verb structure. I moved ella to the left of it because this is a question. If you left it on the right side, it's not that it would be a great tragedy. It's just not as clear. It sounds awkward. Let's see. All right. Number 10, ¿Cómo se llaman ellos? This is a Spanish question, so we're going to respond. ¿Cómo se llaman ellos is right here, so what are their names? So let's make up some names. Let's say John and Brad. So ellos se llaman. Notice I have already moved the ellos to the left of that. I moved it over here to the other side because I'm making a statement. Okay. So ellos se llaman John E. Brad. Number 11. What are y'all's names? That's this one. So, ¿Cómo se llaman ustedes? Number 12. The question is, ¿Cómo te llamas? There it is. What is your name? So, I'm going to reply with mine again. So, me llamo Oops, James. ¿Cómo se llama él? That's right here. So what is his name? Let's make it up. Él se llama, and notice by moving the L over here, I've already done this. I've already taken this L then, and I moved it here. That's all it is. So, él se llama, let's have his name be Miguel. Oops. What is her name? This is an English question, so we translate. So, here it is. ¿Cómo se llama ella? And I did leave the A in that spot because this is a question. And number 15, his name is John. Él se llama John. This is a statement, so again, I moved my L to that side, to the left side of se llama, which is my verb structure. Okay, this concludes video A for names.